Welcome back to another video. In this video we are getting a giant wood delivery, and before we want to talk about the snow. It came a random snowstorm of south wind, so it's blowing in the way we never expected it, and it blew the barn full, also the goat barn, and it blew the hay roll all covered in snow. So that's not going to be fun, but also this side and upstairs and everything. So yeah, today we need to just clean it up and get ready for the wood, and yeah. Then we're going to show you what wood we got, which is going to be really amazing for the project, because we are out of wood upstairs. It's kind of full, but full of scrap wood that is not so usable for most projects. Yeah, let's get started. I think it needs that side needs reorganizing. So one of the options is to put the wood up here, but it would take quite a while to organize it. We are looking at 6-meter boards, so that's half of the length of the barn is 6 meters. And yeah, to get either this cleaned up or this cleaned up is a lot of work, and where do you put it? Most of this pile here is all scrap, and we're gonna get sorted through, but most of them probably gonna go for firewood, since there's a lot of things that are just not usable. And this side has a lot of beams and things like that, and other junk here. So it's a lot of organization, so probably we'll have to do downstairs. As you can see, it also snowed over like crazy. And that is because we're getting south wind snow. So that blew in through all the holes on the top that we did not close, and even if we did, it would still find its way in. It has found its way through the smallest cracks. So yeah, we're probably gonna organize it downstairs. Let's get down the downstairs, see how we can organize it, lay out some wood that we can put it on so it doesn't sit on the floor. Is kaput.
This pump that we rushed to bring inside so it doesn't freeze, froze. We did not take all the water out, so it came to an end. But they want to take off the engine, and the rest we're just gonna bring to the metal.
I will turn into probably a sounder, or yeah, I could make my own grinder, I guess. Or something I'll make out of it.
Okay, so now we kind of made space to put the 2 saws here. But
I'm not putting it up there.
okay, so all of those things we're gonna bring them away once we get the hay roll, so that is all gonna be gone. It's just like temporarily moving more again, I guess.
Just to make more space.
Yeah, but I'll be happy when that is gone.
Bernie. That's where all the tools went that I didn't use. Well, I don't use them, so. But I was looking for some of them.
Okay, can we put the bricks on so we can put the beams on, and so we are done?
I guess. Nails pointing down. Ha. See? Gotta go mine. That is hard!
It's called cement. That's how you use a pickaxe.
So we have set up the space for the wood. It's 6 meters, so I hope they fit here roughly. If we need to adjust something or add more wood because they're bending too much, then we can add it after. I hope the gaps are not too much spread, and we don't want the wood bending, but even if it is bending a bit, we're gonna move it upstairs pretty quickly. Not gonna let it sit here for months because then it does get warped. So we want to lay it out nicely, and probably want to put wood in between, which is something we always avoid doing, and not avoid, but forget to do, is putting wood between to separate each layer. Because if the layers are like this, then there is mold and rot in between, which is not good. It creates a really ugly wood. So yeah, and it can rot fully. Let's get started.
Yeah, but already it looks so much nicer.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Although we haven't taken the glass away, so it's already a bit
the glass
organized.
will go away. The fridge will probably go in the corner there, and then it will go maybe to the entrance hall for this summer. If we have more people, we need more fridge. So we might use it as our secondary fridge. It's still nice and clean inside, and we're gonna give it a full steam clean. And then we have another day. We're gonna, of course, clean all this up as well. All the wood goes upstairs. All of it gets cleaned, and also the stairs. We're gonna clean all of it up. We have second pair of stairs down there. So we're gonna see if we're gonna use these big stairs, or we're gonna put the other stairs and make it more shallow, because they're actually cut stairs, so they're shorter. But we might be able to make them more shallow, which means a steeper climb up. But it's better for a barn because it takes up less space. And then another future project is I'm going to start installing the stove under the stairs. So once it's all cleaned up, I'm going to take that rocket stove and going to start setting it up here and installing it. And I need to locate a barrel for it as well, because I'm not going to take the barrel from inside. I'm going to probably take a new barrel. And that's going to be a stove for here. I don't have all the pipes for the chimney, so those are going to be from the chimney in the house, that like the metal chimney. So that's going to go here, and there we're going to get insulated. So that's kind of the future plan, is getting heat in here. Sadly, that's going to heat this room more than the other, but we can do jobs in here and just run in for a tool there if it's nice temperature in here. But still, a lot of work has to be done to seal this place to be actually able to hold the heat. So it needs sealing, it needs the walls patched up, and probably the front as well will need some sort of, even I was thinking a curtain, a plastic curtain might help for keeping the heat in, just not to be needing to seal all of the barn side there. That is all just wood. But yeah, that's quite a lot of talking, and we're gonna wait for the wood. So, as you can see, the wood is home, and this is what we got. We got this nice pine, as we identified. This is pine because it's much darker. This is spruce. So this is really nice for also making floor. So you could plane these in, and you have a nice hardwood floor that would not be on its own. It would be more small pieces, and you can lay it out on existing floor. But this is actually really nice for floors. And but we're probably gonna use it for other things and other purposes. And then this wood here is very nice for roofs. It's not very long, so it cannot do big ones, but we have some projects of extensions and also for the well we want to make like a little roof, and anywhere else. It's only 20, it's not many, but in theory actually that is quite a lot of roofs you can make. Or otherwise we can use them in other things where you just need a nice strong beam. So yeah, that's the wood we got. We had some other woods ordered for the entrance hall, but that wood was taken before we could get it. So yeah, we were not able to get it. We paid 244 cubic meter. I know we don't speak a lot about prices actually, and we should kind of sometimes, because people are really amazed how cheap things are. So it's 240 per cubic meter. So in total this is 390 euros. So that's how much is this wood. I'm not sure how your prices are, but yeah, that's how much you pay for this. This is, I think, dried for a few months, but as you can see, it's all covered in ice. So it's been sitting outside and rained on. So I think it was under a roof, but it got, you know, rain blown on it, and now currently snow blown on it. So that's why it has rain and ice and snow. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna start using this wood hopefully soon with some new project. And yeah, we're gonna see you next time. Bye bye. I can't leave.
Roadblock of bites.